There's Vic's GT500 convertible. Very cool. Factory supercharger on there. That's super clean. Convertible 65. That's awesome. The most awesome car here, of course, the 2011 SS Camaro. Thank you very much. Love this. Fiberglass Ford. Very, very good. A lot of sand work on that, you know, blocking and all that. Another cool Mustang. It's on fog lights and whatnot. Another 65 this time. I think the one next to it's a 67. There's a brand new Coyote Mustang and a Mercedes of some kind. And what do you know? A Mustang. Yeah, another Mustang, super cool. I don't know what that is, but I like it. We got the pace car Trans Am back here. I think that's an 83 or something. This thing, I don't exactly know what it is, but it's cool. 56 Ford maybe. And the 37 Chevy truck, dig it. And the possibly Hellcat Jeep, I'm not sure. Yeah, SRT Jeep. Sounded like one when it came in. Got like a Audi super duper car. WRX, pretty sick. Tilt nose El Camino, which is really something. That's cool. Oh yeah, I didn't even see this guy come in. That's very awesome. Would you look at that? Wow. 426 Belvedere with the Hemi. That is super duper cool. Wow. That's very awesome. I did not see this even come in. That is cool. Boom. Here's your Hemi. Very cool. We got the Porsche. We got another V8 Ford with a small black Chevy in it, I think. What was that? Hell yeah. Both of these Model A's have small block Chevys in them. Because, you know, why not? That's a very cool Mustang. Sounded nice coming in. Cool Miata. It's a Miata. That is the world's sickest 73 Corolla. Look at that thing. He's got a 1,000 horsepower turbo motor going in. Just whenever he shows pictures of it.
You're going to just frustrate yourself.
Everybody here is looking at that car.
Here's what I
It's
can
pretty
do for
awesome.
you. Can get it.
There is a newer T-Bird and Bigfoot. And there you go, man. Pretty good.
How's that?
That's what you could